starting priming my face. It's already primed, and then I'm moving on and I'm mixing together my foundation, a gray cream paint, and a green cream paint in this cup. You can see the color profile there. I'm adding a few pumps of my setting spray just to help the mixing process. That's what it looks like. I'm adding a bit more green and then swatching the color. Before I forgot, I did my brows. It's the best way I find to do them, really. Just back comb and add a bunch and smooth it out. After that to dry, I'm going in with a old brush and laying down that first layer right over the brows. Then going in with more green to add opacity to my second layer. Don't forget the ears. And then I'm going in with a denser fluffy brush and straight green. And then finally finishing off with a beauty blender going down the neck, everywhere else. So it's all told about 3 layers, and I'm mixing together green glitter, a bunch of baby powder. I'm spraying my face down first, letting that sink in and dry, adding some green eyeshadow to the whole powder mixture, mixing it up. That's what it looks like. And then going in with a tulip powder brush, baking basically over the creasy parts and the entirety of my face, spraying that down. Don't forget the brows. Then these are the ophthalmologist lenses they send you home with after they dilate your pupils. My mom brought this back home and I decided I'm going to fold it in half, cut it at the same time so the circles are even, realize that this is a great idea. I didn't think it was going to work, but it looks like it will, so I'm just tracing with gray eyeshadow around to give depth. I'm adding these gems with some glue, just smacking them on. Toothbrush, black food color. I wetted the brush with setting spray first and then just flicked it all over to give texture. Purple eyeshadow, and keeping the lips really narrow and reptilian almost. And then the corners of my mouth are cracking, so I just went in straight with that green eyeshadow again. And then my NYX Wicked Lippy, and I'm adding that to the center and blending with a fluffy brush. Then I'm adding black freckles, same way I typically do freckles, all over the face, highlighting with white and tan eyeshadow, all over the places you would typically highlight. And then I'm going in finally and adding the lenses with just straight glue. They did kind of start to fall off, but for the photos and the video, it was sufficient. You could do all of this affixing with liquid latex, but then I'm adding some grit to my teeth for photos. I'm waving goodbye. Here's the finished look, and thank you for watching.